the screen here, and this looks a little bit different from the last couple we were looking at. Let's go ahead, fish team.
So this is a brotula, or a cusk eel. This one's a little bit different than most that we see, although we have seen this on other dives. If you see the white dots on the body, they start going up along the upper part of the back, and then they stop. There's a little gap, and they pick up going along the middle of the body. This one also has a flap on its gill cover that's a little bit separate from the rest of the gill cover. This is a live-bearing brotula. They bear live young, like guppies or swordtails in freshwater aquaria. It's in the genus Diplocanthopoma. That's a genus that's characterized by that flap that I just mentioned. This is rather deep for the family. This genus does get to be deep. They're very poorly known, but we see them quite often. This one's a little disoriented by the ROV. It's bumping actually into the ROV. It's almost volunteering for a collection, but I don't think we can get the box open and closed fast enough. It would be worth collecting if we could, because we really don't know what species these are. In the Central Pacific, there are only a couple of records of this genus. There are 2 specimens in different species that floated up to the surface off of a lava flow of Hawaii Island back in the 1950s. And one was tentatively identified as a species described from the Indian Ocean. That identification is kind of suspect now. Boy, this fish is really disoriented. It's really... anyway, and the other species, the other individual wasn't identified as species, and that's it. Those are the only collected specimens from the Central